how to fix not posted yet problem on Instagram app. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the upload problem easily and fast. So there is three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. After you go to the apps manager, on this page you will find every app that you have on your phone. All what you want to do next is just to wait a few seconds, it will start loading, and then go to the search bar here and search for Instagram like this, and then click on force stop, and that's it. And the second solution is very easy. Just go to the settings on your phone and then open the wireless and networks and go into the Wi-Fi option and disable it, and then wait a few seconds and enable it again. And the third solution and the last one is you have to go into the airplane mode and enable it and disable it again. That's it guys, and if the problem is not solved yet, then you need to check your network or the network that you are connected to. Don't forget to like, subscribe.